In this video I will show you how can you use Vinted in 2024. So basically Vinted, it's a marketplace where buyers or sellers buy or sell clothes. So basically, as you can see right now, if I will want to buy this pair of shoes, is like 85 USD dollars. I can make an offer or I can buy now directly. So right now if I make an offer right here, let's say that I will want to offer, I don't know, 50, 51, because this is the minimum. I will click on send, and as you can see right now, this seller will receive my message with $51. Another things on Vinted, basically you can have a profile. As you can see here, you have a wallet right here where when you will accumulate some dollars, you will be able to withdraw on your bank account. Well, I hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see in the next videos.